First of all, I would like to underline that for Tunisia, my country, participating in this EXPO is of outstanding importance, and that for us this is an invaluable opportunity to showcase our accomplishment, to speak about our cultural identity, to demonstrate the development that Tunisia has reached in various fields. And of course, it is an occasion to interact with other cultures, with other people, with other countries. We participate in the Dubai International Expo. Any sort of event that would enable us to showcase and to introduce our country, and to be for us an occasion to attract investors, to attract all sorts of businessmen and corporations that would benefit our economy. Well, of course, as you know, Tunisia has always been a very friendly country, and we used to entertain, and we still entertain, excellent ties with Serbia. As you probably know, both our countries were among the founding fathers of the non-aligned movement. So during the last decades, we tried to build on that, to bank on what we have achieved in terms of cooperation, in terms of cooperation in all fields. And our ambassador is actually working very hard to reinforce and to bolster, to beef up these ties in all aspects, at all levels. And this participation and the fact that we have supported your candidacy to organize this tremendous event is actually a testimony to those excellent friendly ties that have always existed between our countries. And our message is a message, of course, of peace, of friendship, of cooperation to Serbia. It is a call to build on what we have already accomplished and what we try to accomplish in terms of economic relations, trade relations, cultural relations, people-to-people relations, which is, among other things, and above all, the most important thing to achieve to the benefit of our peoples and countries.